Oh, hello there. Welcome to Panda's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making kimchi arancini. Arancini is deep-fried Italian rice balls. Today we're going to be combining Korean and Italian, and we're going to be making kimchi fried rice and going one step further to make arancini out of it. Today is going to be my first time making this. We're going to learn together, so let's just get right at it. We're going to make the kimchi fried rice first. This is the same exact recipe I've posted on the channel before, so I'm just going to blaze right through this. Right away, I'm going to be prepping our 2 cups of sour kimchi. And remember, sour kimchi, it's kimchi that's been in the fridge for at least 2 weeks. It's better for cooking. So I'm just gonna use scissors to cut this. The extra liquid is actually a good thing here, and you'll see why later. We'll do 2 sticks of green onion. Actually, I'm just gonna do 1 huge one, and we will do thin slices. So now I'll just move the green onion straight into our frying pan. And then we're just gonna pour about a tablespoon of any neutral flavored oil. That's it for prep. Let's get cooking. Now I have this on medium-high heat. I'm gonna let this come up to temperature. We're creating green onion infused oil. Once it is smelly good, push everything off to the side. And then directly onto the pan, we'll add 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And we're gonna let the soy sauce and the sugar kind of bubble up a little bit, and it will thicken up, and that is when we will incorporate it with the rest of the green onion. And then we'll add our 2 cups of kimchi. So we'll stir fry this until most of the moisture has cooked off, but we do want to keep some of it. And that's going to help keep the rice all together when we form the rice balls. Move on to the next step. 1 teaspoon of gochugaru. Skip this if you think this is going to blow your face off. Gochugaru can burn pretty fast, so you need to keep everything moving. Now we're going to add in 2 cups cooked rice. This is one of the very few times that you can use fresh rice, because like I said, we do want to form the rice balls, and the extra moisture will help. Now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Turn off the heat, stir it up, and your kimchi fried rice is done. Now we're just gonna spread this onto a baking tray, and I'm gonna take this moment to plug the hell out of a Silpat. They're a game changer. No need for foil or parchment paper, but just go ahead and spread your kimchi fried rice on it. The hardest part is resisting the temptation. Just eat all this now. And this just needs to cool down to the point where you can work with it. You can either throw it in the fridge, or in my case, I'm gonna use the best freezer in the world, and that is outside in dead of winter Minnesota. And while that's happening, we will go ahead and make our yum yum sauce. I don't really know how to describe it other than
yum yum.
Exactly. But we'll start off with 1 cup of mayonnaise. This is vegan mayo, and this sauce is really simple. Just throw everything into a bowl and call it a day. 1 tablespoon of sugar, then 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. If you don't have tomato paste, you can use ketchup instead. 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of melted vegan butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to thin it out, and then a little S&P for salt and pepper.
So nerdy.
Alright, give it some whiskey business. So the yum yum sauce is done. Now I'm going to form the rice balls. We'll grab about a 1/4 cup of fried rice. Try to flatten it out in our hand. And then I'm going to put, let's do just a tiny bit of vegan mozzarella. Now we're just gonna try to coerce this into a ball. We made about 10 rice balls, and I'm gonna set this in the freezer, or actually outside, for 15 minutes, let them firm up a little bit. Alrighty, next we're going to make the batter. 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a 1/4 cup of water. Give that all a good mix, and there's your batter. The rice balls have been chilling out, and I think we're in a good spot. So we're going to pour about a cup worth of panko breadcrumb. I'm using these Italian style, just to kind of go along with the whole Italian Korean fusion. Grab a ball, just kind of roll it in the batter, and then just roll it in the panko. Oh yeah, not too shabby. And then just put that straight in the air fryer basket. Do a light spray, cooking spray. Cook these at 400 degrees for 15 minutes and flipping halfway through the cooking time. Plate them up and serve with that delicious side of yum yum sauce. And there we go, kimchi arancini. Let's dig in. These look great. Cheers.
Mmm.
Wow, yummy. Oh, that sauce is banging.
The sauce is the perfect complement to this.
I almost want to call it banging sauce.
This is really good.
Flavors are on point. Holy buckets. So there we go. Kimchi, arancini, kimchi fried rice balls, whatever you want to call them. They're delicious. It's a fun little twist on kimchi fried rice and arancini. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you want to see next. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. And we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.